Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
As I take this honorable journey with Honorable Frank Tumpale Mwenefumbo, I do so knowing this is the moment Malawi has been waiting for. A moment of clean leadership, inclusive development, and renewed trust. Now, it is my greatest honor to welcome the man who will lead this great nation into its next chapter. A leader who understands your pains, shares your dreams, and is ready to serve with wisdom and humility. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you your next president, Honorable Frank Tumpale Mwenefumbo.
Bandi iyo ni Lusubiro Band. Pukaya huko kwa Karonga. Wakimba bwinwe? Wakimba makole? Anyway, wamama na wadada na munyinu nkakwamba aka kupanga msungano usani ngati umarufira mpwezi wane, mbare wane, mukuru wane, Dr. Salos Klaus Chilima. Uyu Easter gomejanga kuti nthazi limakora kuli uyu Saulos. Mwasoka ngozi ikatiwira, munganamuna nyifwa ikatiwira. Sono kupereka nchini kwa munyane Saulos uyakaya mbwezi wane umani mpembani kutimirire timwananganire mzimu wake kuti uuse mumtende. 1 minute silence in honor of late Dr. Salos Klaus Chilima. May the soul of Dr. Salos Klaus Chilima rest in eternal peace. Amen. Babalibani, chakwamba ni muongani, kwene chomene nipeleke nchindi mwakutumura, na ngulemba nchindi zose, kuti nipeleke nchindi, au zikwayenerera, kwene chifo cha nyengo ya mara kumati mukafie kuma nyumba, nyengo iweme. Sono nchindi kwa Honorable Deputy President Vitu of Makuyoya, wa Dr. Chikondi Lisimba Mpokosa, kweneso wa Vice President wa Kuno Kumpoto, wa David Porter, Katundu Mzito, wa Vice President South, Joseph Mpokosa, Joseph Pakamwa, wa Secretary General wa Honorable Wakuda Kamanga, chomene nchindi za kwenerera, kwa wakutumbikika wa Fraser Kyunga, awomba Deputy Secretary General wa Chipani cha Freedom, na delegation yose imafika pano kweneso ni muungani chomene achunga kweneso mtone utenga kuta kwa Right Honorable former Vice President kweneso aomba President wa Freedom Party ba Kumbo Kachari tikarembera makarata kuvipani ivi vazengejani vitu kuno kumpoto kutienti kare rumoza muzakatumbiki ungano witu va Right Honorable Kumbo Kachari vangu chona cha kuzirwa kuti vakare na ina muna wako Frank Mwenefumbo. Sono achunga kanuongerani kwa Right Honorable Kumbo Kachari chini kwa enela chomene kuti vangu mtumani na kuti wapapi hivi vyamba mauno hivi virutilile mpaka na pa 16. Tieni tikorelane, tieni tijale mpoto huyo vatiseveresha kwa kwana takuya mwamsha magola nangu jema aso wa Right Honorable Enoch Chihana, Right Honorable Kamuzu Chivambo kweni matangwanika na nchilo zinyaki kweni awa ni wawonge pa kuti wafika mukutangwanika kwao wafika kweni isi tawina mpoto nyengo ya kwana sono mwamsha magola tikwimishani mtima ini vakumbo va Enoki vakamusujivambo na avariko alongoshi nyengo ya kwana datamuteshani chomene nyengo imwe kukaya kuno wakarika manyuma. May God bless you, my brother Fraser Chunga. Mauno tizira kuno kuzabanga launch chipani cha NDP. Chipani icho chikarembesheka pa 1 March 2004. Vati vatipasa certificate tinakalepo pasi yai. Tayenda charo chose. Takafika kumsanje, kuneno, kuzomba, mulilongwe mose umakasungu, kosi kunupaka ukameme kuchitipa. Sono maunta tukuangura kuti timpalani kuti kuna chipani. So ni mongane mapapi kuti mwachipokelea chipani ichi. Niyo yaka pachoko mchizungu kuti sipichiane ni wapase vamtolangani wakarembe hivi ini na wanyane kuchipani cha NDP vilima wanangana itu. Pala nafuma hapo niwe nga kama chituni matia spichosi yai tinjire kumakani enecho aga isi chipani ichi tachikazikishira kuti chiveko tapikira makola. Sono NDP kutukula Malawi, NDP kusokoza Malawi, NDP. Standing here at Chivavi ground in the heart of Umzuzu City, I am filled with both deep humility and great hope. I am President Frank Mwinifumbo, na mwana wenu ini, and today I speak not only as your leader, but as your brother in the struggle for a new dawn. We gather here to launch the Manifesto of National Development, a document not of promises, but of commitment, a blueprint that carries the dreams of every mother, every youth, every farmer, every child. A Malawi where poverty, inequality, and injustice are not inherited legacies, but defeated enemies. We look ahead, guided by the spirit of Agenda 2063, Africa's vision, the Africa we want. This is a call to build an integrated, prosperous, and peaceful continent, driven by its citizens and representing a dynamic force in the global arena. And so we say today, we want the Malawi we deserve. 1, a dream of a united Malawi. In 1994, we stepped into democracy, embracing multi-party governance and the dignity of choice. But the journey is not complete. We now renew that vision under the banner Malawi First, a Malawi for all. As the American civil rights icon, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, I have a dream, and we too have a dream. A Malawi where no one is judged by the tribe, by religion, by or gender, but by the content of their contribution to this nation. Let us no longer be divided by the artificial barriers of politics. Let us unite in purpose and identity, for we are stronger together in our diversity. And let me say it loud and clear, the National Development Party is not a family party. It is a national party, a party that belongs to the people, from Sanje to Chitipa, from Kotakota to Mchinji. This is your party, this is your voice, this is your future. Ikurutirira speech yane sono imwe ma journalist au wananyengo bakabaje katorani makanijitu kufuma chikarata ichi ifa cha nyengo kumba kuti niyowoye makani ala mchitumbuka na mchichewa. Abale anzanga lero ni siku alikulu kwa mbili kwa ife. Pamene tukazikisa chipani cha National Development. Chipani chanu. Osati cha Mwenefumbo, kapitani Tundwa Mwenefumbo. Osati cha chigao cha kumpoto kuno iya kwa machafuko lonse la Malawi. Umboni nimene mwauona pano. Kuti kuna bwela anu kuchokera kwa bwela nditero atsogoleri makamaka minati imirire kunyumba ya pungu amalamulo komanso kuma council ku local government kuchokera kumsanje mpaka na kuchitipa Mchinji mpaka na Likoma. Chipani chanu tabula kuzakupatsani chilandireni chigwiseni ntchito chisinthe miyoyo yanu. Ziko la Malawi mena alankulira azinzanga kumbuyoko sili kupita patsogolo likubwerera cha mambuyo. Zisanzo zili ponse ponse. Ngati zinthu sizikwenda bwino mdziko zimaoneka pamene chuma chikuonongeka cha dziko. Zizindikiro zoonongeka kwa chuma cha dziko ndi kukwera kwa mitengo. Kuno kuchiwavi tinkagula Azam 200 kwacha. Pano ni ndalama zingati? Sikale pamene timagula sugar 500 kwacha. Pano ni ndalama zingati? Chimanga ichi chomwechi ichi. Chimanga chomwe sitikachiwerenga kuti chingamadule. Inetu mena ndilankulira kuti ndili deputy minister. Ndipo lero lokha ndizitama. Chifukwa anthu amapanga chipongwe wina ndaona pa Facebook akuti ndaniso mungotaya nthawi yanu. Nendaona kuti chifukwa chakuti sindimazitchula mbiri yanga anthu amandiderera eti. Komanso focho zichepesa kutumikira zipani zina amuna ngati kuti ine kuthekera ndilibe. Lero ndifuna muziwe kuti kodi Frank Mwenefumbo wachitanji pa dziko la Malawi pano. What is my legacy? Chifukwa anthu akundipanga misjudge. Sono zinthu zikuonongeka mziko muno. Ukumene yankhulira Vice President North. Anthu akamadandaula. Ino anthu amene akudandaula ninu mukumati akukunyozani, akukutukwanani ngachipongwe. Si choncho iyayi. Munasankhidwa kukhala mipando imeneyo kutumikira Malawi. Osati inu nokha, ana anu, azikazi anu, ndi azibale anu. Chifukwa ndi zimene zili ku Malawi lero. Ndani apa imike dzanja. Kaya inu amene mukutonera pa television, mukutimvera pa wireless m'manyumbamo. Tayimikani kuti zinthu zili bwino zonse tikupeza bwino. Tayimikani. Amene mukuti zinthu zavuta ku Malawi kuno tayimikani manja. So pano palibe amene tingamupase mlandu umenewu. Tinasankha boma. Ngati ine ndimakhala manyazi kwambiri. Chifukwa nane nali mmoza amene ali kalikiliki. Tisankhire boma ila tonse ili. Koma zochita chisamanyazi zomvesa chisoni pamene tinayika chikhulupiriro chathu pachabe. Ndipo aliyense amene anapanga nawo kampeni ya Tonse Alliance kuti zinthu zidakhala bwino tinkanena zoona kamene tinakunamizana. Timanena zoona kamene timakunamizana. Choncho ngati munthu mmodzi amene ndinali patsogolo kwambiri kuno kuchigawo cha kumpoto ndinaponda pena paliponse ndi azinzanga ake ngati kuno kumpoto Ahare Mkandavile, Mai Godani Mkandavile, Godani Nzanga, komanso Timothy Mtambo kwene chomene mwanarume yule akanichema ine ngawa nawa Muruz batupere Chilima kati Frank nthawi yako na tenti koze nziko bwera uzatsaize kampeni pano pali msogoleri wabwino sopano amene nali mbusa. Alright, Chilima ngoyo hivi Chilima kanipaliranga azindena apaleke ni mpusikani kweneso ni mukweni teti mfikiriri mweti katangwanika isi bigi paka na COVID mkati na yake isi paka ikatikona ikatifia nyapa zingo kwa COVID tikuti fetereza za mwa 4,500 mapassport 14,000 vinyaka kati vivichi vinananduaka kuno kukaya kuno tiza Muzenga Airport Momera University na chipatala cha Nyuaneti taviona tikatengeti za majanjara tamajanjara gwangwangwa wamala gwangwangwa nipo anunga chumukumaya gwangwangwa imu akunuka na kunuka gwangwangwa sono balangu yoya ini tena Mwenefumbo mamumva si wotokoza wotokoza mzake pakati pa inu yondi inayotokoza zake ndani hakumba kufa ine after all ni mpalilano ubwezo wa ini na Chilima tikayenda na Chilima pina paliposa tikakanga 5 o'clock Munyana akakanga 4 o'clock for Chilima every day wakati ngochaichi na Mulenje kumisa kapempera. Yes, para fumakura tie nzanga tikagobora kukameme kwa Maulambya kumisuko kuntana Chilima tikuti tieni mukavotera batata aba. Alright, tikafika pose waka na chikomejo chakuti Malawi awe Malawi wokomera wali yonse solo priganichi na tinachita campaign 3 months non-stop ikanyingo ya COVID mwe wafinya wakuwarumbilisha wadada wala kula kulilongwe ene ni mchipatara alijechi kawa chipatara ikawa prison wakati komeranga na vimaroko wana wane waweli wani ala na utipasa kusima yai para kunjira nyengo ile wakakufaila ngafa. Alright, kukoma tu vibungu twa COVID Chilima uko wa msorakale u vice president wakiza pa window akapempa kura. Frank, are you okay? Njani pa window sasa ni Chilima hapo wa msorakale u vice president itu mwene masozi akafuma kuti wose wala na vila kampeni na badada bara nona kafoni huu kuti iu uliko uli ukuiwi kwari wakanipanga kondemu wose wanyane wakatenga uya afwenge huyu foti kafanga tu COVID kwambila njani akaponanga. Chilima wakizaso kuzaka kwizaso kuzaka nzonda ina mnyaki kura kukamu Central Hospital ku COVID center ini nkatenge achiuta kumanyuma hukupala naruta mtumbikani huyu ndiyo murongoji wa kumanya wanyaki paviwemi na paviheni kwene chuda kakana akati nakumba kutumanya wanyako wapwezi wenecho na atinafuma na wasanga wanyane wali mpoma wa presidenti wa vice na nduna za njina mwanazi tikazuona ngakausa ya kukampeni na kawapara waliwane kuti ini pakuti nili independent koma njire chipani hapo boma likawako ilu walongoji wake wakawa dada Chakwera muprisha makora because wana wa MCP mwenye fumbo bota tukoza tinamusa nka body chair ya chipani chake mukawako imwe kumagobo imwe mukawaonanga wala kuno nyengo ile kupanga kwacha chipusu asimukatisekanga imwe amenifumo maulu mapanga kwacha imwe wala wakuusa wala wakizangako kuno sono ngubala wishawa katene mwenye fumbo usatokoza usayamika. We spent our personal fortunes for this government. When you are enjoying rianiwaka. But let me warn you that by 16 September akwiza ini imu mukumanya kuti ndiarezani ini nkapanga na wachipondi chakufa chihana asimukumanya vina mzuzu imwe 1996 97 ngenda kana chakufa kakamona ntikamona nte paka na kuninjira mu parliament kuti tie ka mu parliament kwenu ngata bwana so ni muchoka kwa muina 1999. That's when I was first elected na wachakufa chihana sono imwe vana imwe rianiwaka. But the day of judgment is coming. Pa 16 awa akuweruzani awa. Amweru janingi na karaini mu visora umnayowela hii 1999 kapanga kampeni ya bagwanda cha kwamba ndi wakaya wa presidential candidate tikayenda Charuchos 2004 na Pangasu tikawarayasi ya Ford na UDF presidential candidate Bingwa Mtarika wakawina. Naona visora I know the mood of winning. Imwe mood ili kumalawi ndi kuti boma likusa lingawina tena kiwenge vintu ufike hapa vantu wakulira ufike hapa vantu wakulira and they don't see an emergency kuti vintu vili makora tinoji na mnayoela hapa tena mwamuva manefumbo mwe pangane tingati pangana ibwanja ameneyo sono ine kupangana ibwanji vati vingaenda apa biza wampeta makasungura gogo wawe na ngonde ine ni ngonde ine chenjerani para mukupangana na meeting inu muma na nengena ini yaje. We want equality and justice. These people have souls. Wana mizimu wantu hawa. Tinga sevele shanga yayi wantu mizimu ya wantu. Sujo ililipo. Mai muno makutumuli na kusamarira chakuti. Wantu banawanjira mboma, they feel so entitled. Wakutola boma ngati mwechuta remba kuti imwi ndimwi wose abayai. Nifiri kumala isono tu. No. Ine ningakana abantu abakwerera maumoyo abantu ningakana bafupi yai. Ni tembelero. Bantu wakufa because of poverty. Poverty of lack of medicines in the hospitals. Dazilimoza mama wana karwara kwa karonga. Mweta tokuchipatala dokotala kuti amaya kotapeza kutwara kwene mankhwala ukagule ku pharmacy yakuti chipatala ichapoma. Sono ini nkachifumba kuti ini mwene fumbo ningakwanisha. Kwene uyu mukavu yura kugaya kula angakwanisha hivi. We have normalized this. Mweno wantu ya jogaga sumu ya kuti mankhwala kurije kuchipatala. And the government that we elected is so relaxed. They don't even care that people are dying needlessly because of malaria, diarrhea, and other opportunistic diseases that we can prevent lives from losing lives. No. Yai. Imi kanani, it can't be a government that when its people are starving, mwe murutenge, mukapasenge ma 2,000 kwacha. Yai, no. Bome nikapanga ndena yai. Niku papika kwa NDP wapapiwani. Vanirumba wanyani pano. Wakuti mwene fumbo ntesa njara. Mwe wanya kini kuti wakura wila pati review wakuseka tesa njara mwene fumbo tesa njara Let me tell you my story. When we came into government in 2004, we were uramuriro wa Bingwa Mtarika. There was untold hunger. Bingwa akaisha kwa wanyane wawili ni wasunanga mazina yai. Wakakoro ya njala ikalutiranga. Akati kwenye aka kakuni kati nkapa changu pa town yaka. Aka ni chema bwana. Bingu, Chipondi. Because my story in Yandare is between two people. Let Chakufa Chihana politics. Let Dr. Bingwa Mtarika governance. Waka wanarume wantu wawili hapa. Pero wakara mkuyowe kutia. Kwende hapa ni nkuzi. Nkuzi is nkuzi. Yandare na za bomb. Bingu lectured me for 2 hours. Are you ready to take up the post of a Minister of Agriculture? Iya katinga deputy yai. Akatinga suwa mwene shafosi ndiwi. Kwene ini nitore o Minister for Policy iwe tie implementation. Uchimbili background. Kazomera. Uri wapapi 2008. Asi mukavuna imu. Asi njale kamara kumalali kunu. Ikamara kifukwa ini wa Bingwa kantuma ku New York. Ku New York. Uku nkakumana na wantu wa IMF na World Bank awakakananga subsidy program. Kura katika kumana munyane zinalake Professor Jeffrey Sachs. So para imwe mandelanga imu kawafumbani wa Excellency Dick Matenje. Awakaya wa permanent commissioner, ambassador ku United Nations. Tikarota ini wa Jeffrey Sachs wa pesa wa Bingu au. And Bingu gave me content to go and argue for the implementation of subsidy program in Malawi. Vika kama sera yai. Kuri news yake ku New York wakuti Wall Street Journal wakaya 6 ni masera yai kunifuma mafumbo ini kuziora. Kunifuma mafumbo kuziora. And the Wall Street Journal wrote an article kuti no, the argument that my government has given in favor of subsidy program, implementation of subsidy program must be approved by the Bretton institutions, that is World Bank and IMF. Na tina mara ila interview, ninafika na ku hotel kakupokea phone, ngiri kufuma kwa Chiponda Pingu, wa mwanawane, you have made me proud. World Bank has approved. IMF, TN, Pasanilama Malawi, ipange subsidy program. Munyake angampusika ningi yae, wanuone makora. Batenge ni mwenifumbu ila kunya palo. Ndine pano. Muka banga udani ndi IMF. Mene mumusiko manumo. Antamati ma investors zabwe lamo. Muku tumfana kuno bwino. Antamina banga business kunja kama opa. Kuti IMF ya tawako. Kulili ntumbwi kumeneko. Sono munyaka ngampusika ningi yae. Chomene apatafika pakuti wa IMF wakana kuti pasandarama. Mboya kuti ayapati mulipa visanko viji. Yogo yani waga kuti IMF has lost confidence in your government. Finish. Simple as that. And if you move onenge, sorry, it's bad news. Nothing to celebrate about. I'm not happy. Kuti IMF yatinora ndama kuti boma ili lisujika. I'm not happy. Because awa sujikenge ni bari capital hill kulinonge kura yai. Awa wasujikenge ndimwi. Mitengo ya vinti kwerenge muonenge sono vinti kukwera. I must warn you. Don't trivialize this serious issue. Kapitana Makora. Sono Varani Vikori. Ndazi ni Makora yaye. We have no bright future. Even na yoya vya charo. Ni yoye vya kumpoto. I come from here. And chakufa jihana taught me na pingu. Na Bible kuyoya kuti. Iu ngafumia uri kisoso maswa mnyako. Chako chirimu. So nini kando kuyoya vya uku kakaronga kutokaronga kufuma hapa tenge ni 6 hours utawakaenda 2 years ago. Kufuma mzuzu kukafika karonga sono ni 8.5 hours. Hapo kari nyengo ya wa chair umanya wera wanyani hapo ikawaka 2 hours because they were maintenance of roads. Tapana Makora chigawa cha kumpoto babaribane mungapusikananga yaye chakukharia amanyo chomene. We are the least developed region in Malawi, and there are no deliberate attempts to develop the north. Umwewe wanyane vya msewa kufuma kurumbi kukafika kuchitipa. Wakamba pauli kuyoya kuti tikumangirani sewu ngeti kwa disi ndikuwa kutanzania kwa tikumangirani mzamwenda hapo ya why don't you use the language timanga sewu tikumangirani sewu banyaka kuta tinakumangirani sewu. Are we foreigners within our country? Ndisibarendo mchao chitu. So no, nyengo ya kwana kuyoya unenesho. We are going to say and speak the truth unapologetically. Governments that have been there before, you've let us down very seriously. Nyengo ya kwana mtendi wasambisha wanyitu hapa. Tuwachangamushi. Kunanga kaiwero. Wakambiranga airport vise aba airport isi wanyitu kwa kundeke tukweza daily wanyitu kwa kufika vinyaki. What have we wronged that we must come and say sorry so that we can equally enjoy the developmental projects? What wrong did we do? Aba nkuyo yangati mulongozi wa NDPI. Aba nkuyo yangati muntu wakufumina kumpoto. Andi niyowe ichi nkuwa pale wanyane. Muti yewo Bakiri Muruzi Manyamata na wasungwana mukuvumanya yayi. You don't know the history. Umuti kapokerera ufuru Malawi muno kumpoto kuno kukawavya Chipatara, kukawavya Auction Holdings mkuiwana sono mkulisha mahona hii, kukawavya High Court, mukawavya masekondari ya Magemo, Eutini, Nkata Benyake ni vichi mkuzimanya izikazengeka. Yet We fought for independence of this country, but we were disregarded completely. Bakiri fakuti East wa afford. Tika wa afford nyangwe na tiso East. Tika wa afford to East. Asi tika wa siya kumporo tika wa afford. Mu parliament mukatipasa ma MP wa afford pera. Kuloko government makansala akaya afford pera. Tika na nkongono chomene kunu. We leveraged development projects. And Bakiri, because akamanya kuti uku ma MP ose nga afford, makansala nga afford, ndichifuka tikapokera hivi na vyoya hapa. Hivi wanyana wangu yoya kuti kuleke Bakiri tatiwe vyenge na University of Mzuzu. No university kuna kumpoto. Mzuzu Referral Hospital, Central Hospital. Ikazengeka. Alright? High Court, auction holdings. Otherwise, 30 years, wantu para waruara matenda kuti operation wakata na waku Queens na ku Kamu Central Hospital. Wanandi wakafira ngamu chamukasungu Azindena apapi, payake marua. Hona para walima, tika kulisha kuplanta ya gamro ziwe, wibe, watu mwene ukavu karutiriranga. Masambiru, University Banyake, haya, hapakita kapanga vichi. Soni rongorani awakarapo pakati, awapanga vyonenesha. Nkasako, bingwa mtarika, Reserve Bank, watipasa. Akatipasa aso, bingwa mtarika, Nkadabe Hospital. Vyakoni hanamaso, hivi kuyoya hapa. Watipasa Mseu, Mzuzu Nkadabe. Unyake rukochi, atipasa Mseu, Karonga Chitipa. Na finanandi, atisa tenge, awa yejako. Kweni wanyake awa mwe wali wirapo waka. Kutata banyake wapapi? Sono imwi matangwanika kuti tamfuta chipani chakuti ni mpalani mwahuno ni msakani hapa kuno kumpoto kulishani makora ndari izi ni mpalani. Tina chipani cha Freedom Party waprezidenti vitu Makumbo Kachari ni mwanawini ya Kumbo. Tina chipani cha Alliance for Democracy na ngoli wandafiki kwele tiyogoi waprezidenti vitu mbawakuru wa Enoki Chihana ni mwanawini yai. Kuna chipani cha Petra, huyo presidenti wake ni Kamuzu Chivambo, ni mwanawini yai. Inike Frank Tumpare mwenye fumbo ni winu yai. NDP yafika nayo. Sono ni yoe ichi ni mchemani wanyane pala tarekela hapa chisora ichi mweta mara isi chomene hapa High Court pa 20 July wakati pangira ramuru wakutasha imwi na iwe na ini prikishani makora pati wakuti kuwengeso yai presidenti para undasange 50+1 kungana mna kuti half ya mavoti tavota na kawanikata maundakasange uwe presidenti yai. So tieni imwi pera mpempani voterani vipani vya wanavino torani ma MP wanavino makasa isi pachanya hapa. We are going to have collective leadership na kuti alliance mkachimbia hata mpaka alliance na chipani chakuti imu paweka mwe muguzana mungakaka charo tena tikumbenge kuti vanyitwa vipani vikumba para wakuiza kuno kumpoto wakongoshenga kunao isi kuna ku parliament kabangulenge nimba hanchi yejero sono imwe kuna MP winu ngwa chipani cha Mara Congress Party muru kumpulika hapa kuyo yako alikuyo yako ako pavichi ako pangoja zinaye angalia kulikuchiwa vikuri chakuti tati tifone vitukuku nyengo ya DPP na wanja wakawapo wakashitangamanta faida ikaboma ikausanga so pala masola wanaminu utakuboma likuusa wakushitamanta kuiwa vya kusingu kuli njala walikuyo yapo walikuli yapo vingoma imwe kunu vinsi yoyengeti marenge so chili kwa imwi para mawataya wanavina wanayoya hapa na vipani mbwe mwamara kwa hiyo wapulisha makora kwali kifoterani isi maona isi ma MP ya na makansala ka NDP maona tete charo ichi tika kenge yai na mwewera wakuta kamanga. Malawi shall never develop if one part of the country remains undeveloped. There must be equal share of development projects in the country. Kweneso zinchitu kule mbala tingonanga mtundu yayi kuti uyu ngakumpoto uyu ngakumwera mulomwe wa uyu ni mcheva kamuza kakananga vira tikakane kweni imwe ni mwa kwamba vote tampanga mabaile kishozo kwa Karonga huko abale vitu fanyaki mbweno vote wakapeleka vote wakapasika 2000 kwacha para wa polisi wa zamani zinchitu wa polisi na wa ame hamwe fombo tivulani kuna mwana nkumbata nje kwa ame so na mwambira mbani apa ina nini pampepo ngati iwe yai mwana wane kunchita kumpanga promote yai and know this koda sisi makuti irumara na ngauli wenye kwa kuti ilikumana kwa papepara kwenye wachari wa kupanga kota system ni mwene mumu wana wachari wa kusitika kuma sekondari kuma university kwenye kota system ilipo sono mpoma kwa mlaka mboma kwa li la chomene ni waka fundo for one thing henge wantu hawa sono kulikota system wana winu wakwela mzinchitu wapasi fanya cha mtundu ndi wakuaduka wapatila pene pala 30 years no promotion fachao kwa kufumila ini na Dr. Mpokosa vili mkati mchikata chitu chila tikumatimaje ivu and alliance tukukana yayi ise wa NDP tukuikumbachomene alliance kwenye telejani ichi hapa ini kumarija tikuoya kuti NDP and its leadership and membership we want a grand alliance. Grand kunganamuna kuti if tikatanga pa 2020 na Tose alliance isi wakuwa kuboma isi wakusidika isi tikale pamoza kwani ni DPP, UDM, UDF, Afford, Freedom Party, va Prophet Vambewe, NDP vose vipani tienda zichepesani ino antu ni arasti kufuna ifa NDP wina sakale kunja yayi koma ifa NDP tikuti tikamapita huku ena makamati ndipanga arasi tizifunsa kuti marasi mene mulindane kodi ya DPP alimu kodi ya UTM alimu UDF alimu Afford alimu APP ADPP NDP Freedom Party chake nchivichi LCP Leadership with Compassion alimo shime yuneti ufomeleza koma kwa kakaugawanikana papa ndekuti pa 16 September 2025 palide kuina anga kale palije chipani chizamuina yali pisha na makolo wapapi wane para if we have a disjointed alliance kuti awa imapaweka va UTM na wa vichi batorana va DPP na vichi batorana va PP na vichi batorana gawanikana just know that that's a formula for losing this election and mumanye kuti vantu varutilenga na kusujika. So we are advocating as NDP we only go into alliance if that alliance is a grand alliance involving all political parties and the time has come for everyone of us kujikisha na mwantu wa kusujikira hapa. There is imwe charoji nchikafu yaye umayewela wanyane nchikafu yaye wakafu ndi warongoshi mukavona na mpingu akayoyera abaka usanga akati Malawi is not a poor country, it is his people who are poor, and he proved it when we came behind Bingu and his policies. Tika panga attain food security. We are the second fastest growing economy in the world, second to Qatar. We saw real growth. So para wandu mkanisha makora na fundo ziweme charo ichi chizamwea cha kusambazia wapapi huku ni kwamba kwa NDP na kuti ni muunganichomene makandidate ni kutokozeni makandidate ine ndi anzanga huku we are going to rally behind you our candidates tiku sapotani ndipo muwina chifukwa Malawi atopa ndi umphawi. Amalawi atopa ndi umphawi. Amalawi mwatopa ya imwe mukoma umphawi utilenge. Sono voterani Makola tifikenge asimwatipulika mwationa mwenefumba waluza bati UMP kwao waluza president ndivimukumba dokotara uyu mwanakazi uyu wakusambira chomeni 20 years in Britain, chief executive wa Opportunity International. Uyu mama uyu wakumala kuzomba uyu naye kukwake hakuima huku amuwina naye uyu amuwina. So na muungani kwiza kwinu ni muungani mina chivavi bina mzuzu kwiza kwinu zakatereja chiuta wa mtumbikani. Sono hapa nkuyoya kuti isi tapanga launch NDP na manifesto yake na kampeni tambako ntena. So kwamba maunu NDP tipasani makansala tipasani ma MP. Amangoje mudi bani
Adada mwenefumba imwe.
Tuwapike tanka wati tapoka walendo bani. Mudi bwini. Musati mangise tu. Ilama inakabwele bwele. Amba utimangira limozi. Kwamba mfuna kapeka mwini bwani. Okay.
Muri bwanji antu amunzuzu. Amalawi amene mukuvutika ndi boma la MCP. Muri bwanji antu ambiri amanena kuti mwenifumbo ndi remote ya MCP. Mwamva speech ili pano alizoyamikira chakwera hapa. Lachiwiri lino NDP DPP A4D UTF UTM Pakatoto Mazimveranoka mwenifumbo alikilini akufuna zindu zisinte. Alliance ndiyo kayo iwombole ya Malawi. Palibe chipani chinamize msogoleri wake kunena kuti muime pano kaziyenda kulibe. Mwenifumbo waye NDP waye zikwamo kwa mbili na chivili.
Adada mwenefumba imwe taonga
ndipo
wasambizi wa chivavi school ndio walipo pa kama nipeleke mpaso ya bora na first aid box kwa wana skuru hapa chivavi primary school by head walikuwa chiva headmaster. By headmaster
Wachimani chimenechi ndi right honorable Frank Tupaye mwenefumbo na menali mtsogoleri wa chipani chimenechi. Manena pano kuna kuti kuyakula kwawo akunena kuti msonkhano walo kunali mtungati kupanga launch chipani chimenechi pa ground. Komanso mwina anena kuti kupanga launch manifesto yawo pomwe tikupita ku chisankho chomwe chikubwerachi chisankho cha 2025 pa 16 September. Ndiye mfundo zawo amanefumbo akunena kuti iwo watu akufuna kuti pakhale kugulizana kwa zipani makamaka zonse mtenganena kuti mwina make akudya limodzi ngati block. Komanso akutsindika kunena kuti kugacha kumpoto kuno akuti voice imakhala yovuta kuti zimveke. Ndamana kuti anthu akuna kuti adzavotere zipani zimene atsogolerake yakuno kuti kawo chakumpoto akunena tika chikuyankhula nawo iwowo Frank Mwenefumbo tika izutu yankhula nawo kuti chimve kuti kodi anena kuti motani chifukwa ayankhula zambiri pano. Onapo Mwenefumbo takulandirani
inathokoza kwambiri.
Mwakwiya
fika tina kukwiya tikunyoza mtundu wa Malawi. Mtundu wa Malawi historia yao nja kuti njozilemekeza oka amazalia oka pazakuja komanso ndi ntchito zina zotero zachitukuko komanso apa makomo kwawo. Pamene tafikapo zonse zasokonekera anthu akulephera kugwira ntchito zachitukuko ifeya kuti chuma chasokonekera. Ndipo ine ndikudabwa makamaka pepani timafunza sound. Ndikunena kuti ndimazifunsa kuti kodi munthu wamba kukhala bwanji dziko la Malawi. Ngati zikundivuta ineyo nanga munthu amene sagwira ntchito amene amati amalandira less than $1 a day akukhala bwanji dziko muno. Economy sili bwino. Economy imapanga determine welfare ya munthu aliyense mu dziko. Alright? Ndiyeno boma linaperekapo chidwi kukonza ntchito za chuma za dziko. Dziko la Malawi lasokonekera tiye tilikonze ndipo tilikonza. Ena fe tinalikonzapo napangapo ntchito zabwino mbiri zathu zimene mwazimva pano pazi kuna kuti tinathetsa njala Malawi muno. Ine ndi apingwa Mutharika. Dziko la Malawi linakhala food donor. Tinapereka 500 metric tons za ulere ku Dyesa dziko la Lesotho. Tinapereka 500 metric tons ku Dyesa dziko la Swaziland. Tinapereka mpunga cha ku America uko ku dziko la Haiti. Mpunga wa ulere olimidwa Malawi muno. Chimwe cholimidwa Malawi muno. Nduna yake na ndani Frank Mwenefumbo. Amene apanga defend that subsidy program ndinali neyo ku Washington. Nakhala kwa mwezi tikupanga argue kuti madonna community titenda partner pankhani ya subsidy program. Ndipo ntchito imene imaenda bwino. Pano yasanduka business of the few. Nobody cares about a poor man out there in the village through this subsidy. It's a business for the few. It's no longer something that is helping a common man. Ndiye kukuya kwa kile kwa kumeneko.
Kani alliance muiona bwanji?
Alliance kuna kuti ndiya bwino. Makamaka kuzipani zosupsa. Koma tikukana ife alliance ife ya NDP yomati apo kumagazini muigwesa boma lilipoli sizingatheke. Zikoza kutheka ngati tonse tingagwirane manja ndikusankha munthu mmodzi kuti athane nazo zomwe zilipozi. Koma otherwise mana is that if NDP tunena kuti ngati tusafuna alliance aimepeka ifeso timapatoka. Ndiye mukationa kuti mapatoka sitikufuna mawu achiponga kuti kodi iwonso ndi andani. Ayi manifestesa. I'm appealing to everyone in the opposition to humble themselves, come together for the good of a common man in this country. Tikonze zinthu. Komanso ifeyo amene tinakhala mboma fe amene tinachosa pa zifukwa zina tiyasimikizira anthu na kuti zifukwa zimene zijatikabweranso mboma sizikhalapo. For example kumpoto kuno anthu anali ndi chipinjo cha quota system. Those who pursued that policy, all right? Panoba quota system akutinatete, all right? Koma kumbuyoko there was no official declaration to end quota system. The chipinjo chomwe chatipinja kumpoto for the past 40 years. I'm talking as a region, as a country, all right? Tikonzeso bwino ndondomeko ya zaulimi makamaka pankhani ya fertilizer. Fertilizer if you want town apeze fertilizer kalime. In fact, if you are in NDP manifesto yatu tikunena kuti the middle class must play a role to fight food insecurity in Malawi. All right? Somebody with 5 alikuthekera komanga kopanga olima 5 hectares timkita support. All right? Also ngoti and hope the peasant farming or subsistence farming that period is gone. So you have to reinvent the wheel.
Now, for the sake of other audience, in English, tell us why people should vote for Frank Mwenefumbo and the issues of alliance. What's the plan?
We are a new kid on the block. We have got innovative and modern ideas on how we can force a turnaround in the economy, in the food security, and the other social services in Malawi. It is possible for Malawians to live a dignified life with good policies. Let us remove corruption, greediness, with all that is an impingement to development of the economy. I forgot in my speech to mention this, that the IMF, they are not wrong to withhold their ECF. They are saying wanton expenditure, public expenditure. They are saying fiscal policies. In fact, it should not take an IMF official to tell us that. Because how does a government with a country that is suffering buy 100 Prados brand new at 700,000 each when your country is starving? This is what this government has just done. Let them say no. And you know that, let me tell you these statistics. When they say could reduce external travels, even internal travels, let me tell you, 80% of foreign exchange in Malawi is expended by public service through travels, allowances, and so on and so forth. We need to have a fiscal discipline in order to resolve the issues of foreign exchange. It's not a question of us having dollars. It's a question of us having fiscal discipline in how we are expending public resources.
Thank you.
Kumana
kuti lero ndiye mkane kuti ai ilai pamene mdali ku water board mdali body chair ino
iwe
maendera gamre ya ofu
ineyo
lero
akafunza ku water board ngana kwira gamre ya water board ine nini magamra nga ofu
koma ndali momwe
tamvesera ndanena tu history yanga kodi iwe sunkatu na metika pangira vote campaign chakwera unkaona MCP ankaenda kuno unaona kwa chimwendo panda kuchitipa kukaronga tabwera kuno lanka ndiye na hotel zimene ufuna ndikuze zimene zikutera. We took, because we believe in what Dr. Chakwera was telling us, that he's going to bring a turnaround after suffering from the DPP's rule. But now it shows that even the DPP were better. Look at what is happening now. Tell me, is this life manageable, affordable? You tell me. All right? No, now, the issue of water board. Inetu Anandi Sankha, chairman of water board, on the water board. I excused myself because I was busy at that time. I accepted because I was a bit freer, but not because I wanted the spoils of being a chairman of water board. Never. God has blessed me with enough, what I feel is enough. This is why muzinifuza kuti kwadi chifanya na mwenefumbo simopezeka munkhani zaka tangale yeti makalamboma zaka 15 amafuna mene nimena ndi period
msadero ai kumeneko ndi kuyankhula kwa Frank Tumpale.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.